Welcome back to the show. This is Why is Tiffany So Talented, the show that I do to show you exactly what I'm doing when I'm not making your shea butter soaps, your hot cocoa bombs, cooking for Tiff's taste, or exploring this beautiful state of Arizona with my mom on Adventures with Tiffany and Pam. But this show is about the dress, and as you see, I am by the jewelry because I need some inspiration for this new pink dress that I'm working on. It's really like this neon pink you see right here or over here with this belt, and I'm in here picking stones, so let me show you all of my stones stacked up. This is the dress. It's very gorgeous. If you haven't seen the new dress alert, go check that out. And we're about to go start stoning this dress. So let's get to it. Okay, so I think I just figured out the configuration that I want to do these pairs here on the frame. So I need to make a frame all the way around, and I think that's how I'm gonna do it. It's really chunky, really icy. I used the bigger pairs because I wanted it to be dramatic. I wanted it to be a really dramatic statement when you see this frame, and I think I did it. We got some new neon pink Swarovski, they're Preciosa pairs, because I guess Swarovski's not making the neon ones anymore, but hey, Preciosa could get the money then. But they were custom made for us, so that's amazing. So we got some custom Preciosa large neon pairs, and it's cute. Okay, so I just got finished sewing all of these gigantic Swarovski rocks, and I added a little bit extra to the middle of these straps in the back. And oh my gosh, it took forever to sew these rocks on, but it's looking so pretty, isn't it? So gorgeous. It's just like a chunk of ice. Beautiful, icy ice chunks. I love it. Let me show you this drawing one more time so you can kind of get a feel. So the next thing after I finish this frame is to throw these AB accents within the lace. You see how it's just lightly accented with the AB, and then the rest of the swirls will be in all of these really juicy pink tones right here. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. So maybe like a line here of AB, a line here of AB, a line here of AB, swirl going down this way of A, B. I might just override the pattern in some instances and just to create the swirl that I need, because some of these swirls are very much uniform left to right instead of up and down like how they are in the drawing. So I might just kind of deviate from the pattern of this lace, but it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's finish this frame and then we can get into that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to the show. Well, it might be afternoon or evening wherever you are. Thank you for being here with me either way. This is why Tiffany's so talented, the show that I do to show you exactly what I'm doing when I'm not making shea butter soaps, hot cocoa bombs, any of my other hobbies like cooking for Tiff's taste, or exploring this beautiful state of Arizona with my mom on Adventures with Tiffany and Pam. I'll link those down in the description if you want to watch, but this show is about the dress. And here it is. I know it's corny, I say it every time, but isn't it gorgeous? It really is. So, let me let you get into it. All right, so I don't think I'm going to add not another stone to this really chunked out frame that I did on this dress. So as you can see, I finished the back. I finished the entire frame. Normally I would go in with size 20s and size 16s, but I don't think it needs it. But what I did do is mark out where my accents are going to be with this blue marker. It's looking like very, very sporadic lines. Let me show you the drawing over here so you can kind of get a idea of what I'm trying to do. So see, it has the AB stones just very sporadically placed within the lace just to give an extra accent following the lace. It looks good. It looks really good. I'm sure you probably won't see this until mid-May, but it's gorgeous dress. Today is actually Easter Sunday, so if you're a religious person, happy Easter. Today I am working a little bit of overtime before I go to my mom's house and meet up with my aunt and enjoy the festivities. I'm not really a religious person, but we definitely get together and eat and just enjoy each other's time spent with family, you know. That's the kind of best way to do it around the holiday time. But I think this dress is gonna come out really nice, really nice, really nice. Luckily, I don't have to help cook, so I can enjoy coming here and working a little bit of overtime. And since it's not a federal holiday, I don't get holiday pay for it anyway, so might as well get me a little bit of overtime in before I go and enjoy the festivities. That's why I look so dang cute today. Nice and dressed up so I can go hang out with the old ladies. My daughter has to work. My son is with his dad for this holiday. My other daughter is out in Oregon for this holiday. So it's really just me by myself. So I'm gonna go kick it with the old ladies. But for now, we're gonna get into these lines because I'm gonna make them extra special. I have these beautiful specialties. I have this pair in 3 different sizes, and I'm just gonna create those lines with these pairs. Did you catch the live Q&A with me, Tiffany? If you didn't catch the live Q&A, let me show you what I did on the live Q&A. You should really catch the live Q&A when I come on Saturday and Sundays, because I kind of go through a step-by-step in the small project alert kind of fashion of what I'm trying to do. Because I'm not going to lie, I don't have a lot of people that come to the live Q&A, so while there's not a lot of questions getting thrown at me to answer, I'm actually doing the work on the dress. So this is the work that I got done. Now let me show you what I did. So what I did on the live Q&A was finish all of these beautiful AB accents throughout this pink lace, and then I went in with a marker and marked out where I want to put my pink accents on the dress. And I think little accent will give it just the right extra pop that I need. Now let me show you these cute little pink pears. So this is what I'm going to use in the marker lines here, just to give it a more pink accent, to bring out these ice chunks in the light rose color, because those pink pears are in the light rose color as well. And then after I do the accent in these tiny pears, I'm just gonna go in with the other pink flatbacks, this neon pink, this peony pink over here, this fuchsia, this light rose, and then the regular rose, wherever that is. And this dress will be done. So I guess we can say we're about 50% done. But oh my gosh, it's looking like a glacier. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. See how I went from a large to small in the pears, just to give it some extra dramatics around the dress. And I think it looks good. Even from afar, let me put it there. Even from afar, this dress is looking good, and you can still see the accents just enough. Swirl, swirl, swirl. This dress is so pretty. Check it out. I'm almost done. So what I'm gonna do now is, you see where the blue marker lines are? That's where I'm gonna go in and do the same kind of technique you see there with the specialties. I'm gonna use these really beautiful light pink rose specialties in those lines. So let's get to it. But it's gorgeous already. Alright, so I got all of my light rose pears in as my extra pop of light accent. This dress just came back because they just added, look, this beautiful red underskirt, because I guess it was just a little too sheer for the customer who bought it. So she put this beautiful red underskirt under it, and I think that just gives it just the right amount of pop. And I needed to replace just a few of these tip lines here where the stones meet the seam, and up here just these two little buttons. And that small project was done really quick, so I didn't even film it. But now it's time to go into my variety of pinks. So I got fuchsia, peony pink, light rose, rose, and this neon pink. Alright, so the next step in creating this lace pattern is to add the shadows. Good morning. I'm using this dark fuchsia everywhere you see where I put the marker lines. It's invisible ink marker. I know I repeat myself a lot, but I like to use other clips for other things. But everywhere you see the marker is where I'm gonna add shadows in this fuchsia color. That's the darker pink. Maybe I should use those lines for the neon pink. Maybe I'll do a sample. Yeah, let's do that. Can you see the dimension in the darker tone of that fuchsia? Can you see the shadow? I think it's amazing. Let me look back. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so now we're gonna go into, I don't know if I'll even want to use this neon pink, but I did use the specialties, so I guess I have to sporadically place them. Alright, so let's go back to the marker and mark where I want to add these neon pink lines for continuity, I guess. The next set of markings are in. I think I'm gonna jump into this peony pink for more shadow instead of the neon pink. So let's do that. This color here. So that's the peony pink accent got put in. That's done. That's those kind of muted pink colors right there. All the way around. And now I'm gonna go in with the rose color. No, I'm not. I'm going in with this neon pink. Damn it. I need to add it for cohesiveness, so we're just gonna get it out the way and do it now. Isn't it gorgeous? I love these gigantic glacier chunks that I used in these strategic places around this frame. Oh, it's just so pretty. Look at it. But it is finally done. Thank you so much for watching. If you missed a step, feel free to come on over and email me at tiffanysotalented@gmail.com and we can figure out some coaching for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. These are so pretty. Did you see these bracelets? I didn't make these, but